Good morning, students. So today we are going to pursue with the second type of numerical to establish various relationship between different physical quantity. So it is given force depend upon mass of particle, velocity v, and radius r. Now first of all, grab the word force. So step 1 is force. F stand for force. For the sign depend, use sign of proportionality. Mass of particle. Mass of particle let be m. Velocity is v. Radius is r. In step 2, replace the sign of proportionality with any constant k and put some power on various physical quantity. In step 3, assume k is 1. So F is m raised to power a, v raised to power b, and r raised to power c. In step 4, apply dimensional equation. For force, equation is m1 L1 T minus 2, and for mass m1 L0 T0 power a, m0 L1 T minus 1 power b, and for r radius, that is distance, it is m0 L1 T0. So we will have m1 L1 T minus 2 and m a L. 0 into a 0, 1 into b b, 1 into c, so b plus c. Second is t. For t it is minus b. Now in step 5, equating powers. First we will equate the power of m. On left hand side power is 1, on right hand side power is a. So the value of a is 1. Next is L, 1 b plus c. Then is t, it is minus b minus 2. So the value of b is 2. Now substitute this value in equation. We will get 1 is equal to 2 plus c. So c is 1 minus 2, or c is equal to minus 1. So after solving, we have a as 1, b as 2, and c as minus 1. Now substitute this value in step 2. So step 2 will be F is equal to k, m raised to power 1, v raised to power b, the value of b is 2, and r raised to power minus 1. So F is equal to k m v square by r. So this is a relation between force, mass, velocity, and the radius. In next example, it is given mass of a stone flowing in a river depend upon velocity v, density rho, and acceleration due to gravity g. So first step 1, m depend upon v, rho, g. Step 2, v raised to power a, rho raised to power b g raised to power c. Step 3, k is 1, so m is equal to va rho b g c. Step 4, applying the dimensions. So m1 l0 t0, m0 l1 t minus 1 a, m1 l minus 3 t0, and m0 lt minus 2 c. So we will have m1 l0 t0, m raised to power b, l raised to power a minus 3b plus c, and t raised to power minus a and minus 2c. Now next step, equating the powers. So first power is of m1 equal to b, so the value of b is 1. Then is length a minus 3b plus c equal to 0, or a plus c is equal to 3, as we put the value of b over here. And for t it is minus a minus 2c equal to 0, or a plus 2c is equal to 0. Now solving these two equations by using elimination method. Subtracting this equation, minus minus minus, cancel out, minus c is equal to 3, so c is minus 3. Using value of b and c, we can find out the value of a. A minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0, so a is 6. Using a6, b1 and c minus 3, step 2 will be m is equal to k v raised to power 6 rho raised to power 1 and g raised to power minus 3. So it become this is the required relation. The next is velocity depend on wavelength, density rho, and acceleration due to gravity g. Sometimes they can ask you like this: reduce by method of dimension the relationship between these quantities. So steps are same. So first of all, v depend on lambda rho g. Step 2, v k lambda is here c. Step 3, k is 1, so v is lambda raised to power a rho raised to power b g raised to power c. Next step, applying dimension m0 l1 t minus 1, m0 l1 t0 power a, m1 l minus 3 t0 power b, m0 l1 t minus 2 power c, m0 l1 t minus 1, m is b, a minus 3b plus c, and t is minus 2c. In next step, equating powers. For first, power of m 0 b, so the power of b is 0, value of b is 0. For L minus a minus 3b plus c equal to 1, or a plus c equal to 1 when we substitute b 0. And for t, minus 1 is equal to minus 2c, so c is equal to 1 by 2. Now if c is 1 by 2, then a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1, and a will be 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So the values are 1 by 2, b0, c is 1 by 2. So the step 2, v is equal to k lambda 1 by 2 rho 0 g 1 by 2, or k lambda 1 by 2 g 1 by 2. Any term having power 0, its value is always 1. I hope you are clear with this. And the last one is the frequency V nu of a vibration of a string depend on length L, mass per unit length, and tension T in the string. First of all, it is mass per unit length. So mathematically we can write it as m by L. So dimensions will be ml minus 1 and is designated by small m. So now first step, frequency nu depend on mass, length L, and tension T. Tension T having same dimension, that of force. Step 2, step 3, applying dimensions. M raised to power a plus c, L raised to power minus a plus b plus c, and t raised to power minus 2c. Next step, equating powers. So first is m 0 is equal to a plus c, L is minus a plus b plus c equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1 minus 2c. So c will be 1 by 2. Now if c is 1 by 2, a is minus 1 by 2. A is minus 1 by 2, so minus minus plus 1 by 2 plus b plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, b plus 1 equal to 0, so b is minus 1. So the value of b is minus 1. So we have a minus 1 by 2, b minus 1, and c 1 by 2. Using this value, step 2 will be nu is equal to k m minus 1 by 2, L minus 1, and t 1 by 2. So this is our required relation. Please follow these steps and solve maximum question. By tomorrow I will send you an assignment for this to solve type 1 and type 2. Thank you very much.